NanoClaw is a compact, versatile tool designed to give you precise control over small tasks, whether it's gripping, twisting, or manipulating tiny objects. For beginners, the key is understanding its basic components: the claw mechanism, handle, and locking system. Before you start, make sure the tool is clean, free from debris, and in its default unlocked position to prevent any accidental pinching or damage. To use NanoClaw, first position the claw over the object you want to grip. Squeeze the handle slowly to close the claw around the item, ensuring a secure but gentle hold. Many models come with a self-locking feature that keeps the claw clamped without continuous pressure on the handle. This is especially useful for prolonged tasks. Practice on small, lightweight objects first to get a feel for the grip strength and movement precision. Always release the locking mechanism before removing the tool to avoid sudden snapping that could cause injury. Keep your fingers clear of the claw's moving parts and avoid overloading it with heavy or large items outside its designed capacity. With consistent practice, you'll gain better dexterity, making NanoClaw a reliable extension of your hands for delicate or intricate projects.